Welcome everyone. Let's pronounce the difficult words from the story The Portrait of a Lady, written by Khushwant Singh. Fitting, rolled, snapped, seclusion, sunrise, overstraining, listed, absurd, announced, warriors, meanings, topic, veritable, hundreds, prophets, corpse, fables, autobiographical, neighborhood, distressed, inaudible, growling, bedlam, wrinkles, associations, sentences, members, ground, chapati, moments, subjective, resting, homecoming, haggle, breathing, stoop, chirping, sagging, creating, fetch, gentlefolk, comfortably, swagger, clasp, studies, morning, verb, illicit, should, shuffle, grandchildren, waddle, expanse, intimately, lifeless, harlots, changing, paddle, thumped, shared, dictionary, hobbled, semantically, summarizing, comprehension, rose, equivalents, singing, forms, fetched, fed, hobble, bathed, serenity, blaze, omitted, sweeper, holds, thousands, pallor, treated, universality, earthen, locate, revolting, funeral, perched, enrichment, puckered, sang, wore, untidily, ignored, spotless, wrapped, orally, italicized, items, monotonous, rebukes, slog, chirpings, relaxed, sentimental, turban, instances, flew. Thank you.